Hi friends, welcome to the Plain Fun RC channel. I'm your host Saul. I thought I would do a quick how-to video on making round wingtips. So, let's get started. All right friends, we're having to redo the round tip on the horizontal stabilizer. I was not happy with the way it came out. So I thought, what the heck, let's make a how-to video. So if you're looking to make round wing tips, here's some tips to help you out. One, you're going to take the pattern from the plans, go ahead and cut it out and then glue it to a block of wood and cut it out with a bandsaw. And then two, go ahead and glue it onto the horizontal stabilizer or the wing, depending upon what you're working on. And then three, you're going to take your palm sander and you're going to shape it so that way it matches the contour of the airfoil on both sides. And then four, once you're done, then we're going to go ahead and round off the tips of the wingtip. So let's get started. All right, friends, there you have it. That's how you get nice round wingtips. Biggest advice I can give you is use a low grit sandpaper for your palm sander because it's not all about the speed, it's about the accuracy. And you can see they just look great. All right, friends, make sure to like and subscribe. We've got some more build videos coming up with the B-17 and more to come.